Oh, hey everybody, so I'm back today to tell you my top 5 picks for items you can make at home and sell online. The number 1 item is bath bombs and soap. Now, traditionally they are a bathroom item, but bath bombs are wonderful. Bath bombs are something that you throw into the bathtub, they explode, they smell delicious, and they're very relaxing. And they have some great recipes for them too. Now, they're very easy to make. I attempted this once. I didn't attempt to sell them, but I guess if you have a website and it's something that you're considering, it's really nice. And also, as far as soap is concerned, soap is something that can be used as a decorative item or also for washing your hands. But I do like the idea of decorative soaps, and they are a really good seller online. My second item is candles. Who doesn't like candles? Candles are wonderful, and there's even some great recipes for that as well. You can have scented candles, unscented candles, and they have just a regular melt the wax and pour into the mold. Now, of course, you're going to have to buy a mold online somewhere, but that's okay because you're going to make your money back. Candles are a great accessory for the house, whether it's a romantic evening with someone or right around the bathtub when you're taking that nice bubble bath with one of your bath bombs. But candles really are a good seller. The number 3 item is candy. Now, candy is a great seller and also great for gift baskets in the holidays for your friends and family. Now, a few years ago, I did purchase some candy molds, and you can find them at any of your hobby shops in town or even online. And I also got some of the little round chocolates. You may have seen them in the store, and you melt them down, and then you pour them into the molds, and they come out fantastic. Who doesn't like candy? However, there could be some legalities and some other things to go with that. You may have to have a food handler's card. It just depends, I guess, on your state or where you're selling them. Now, my friend works at a flea market, and he has a booth, and he actually has someone make candies for him, and he sells them there. But like I said, he does have a food handler's card, and he just sells out every single day. So they're a pretty good moneymaker, too. If you could sell somewhere local, would be my suggestion. My number 4 pick is T-shirts, prints, anything that you can print on mugs or hoodies, tote bags. You don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of equipment. You could use something like Cafe Press. I'm sure you've heard of it. Cafe Press is a website that you can upload your images and you can sell. Of course, you have to do the marketing, but they print everything for you, and then they ship out to the customer. So you really don't have to deal with anybody. And the good thing about this is that it's your product. It's your brand that's going on these items that you're selling. Now, a lot of people talk about Shopify, but I'm not familiar with that. I have been familiar with Cafe Press because I did try that before, and they render your image on the item, and then I ordered it, and then it came, and it was fantastic. My number 5 item is Digital Works. You know, whether you're making logos for somebody, you might be in IT or something, you may be a whiz at Photoshop. Well, you can create a lot of things like website templates, you can create wedding invitation templates, things like that. The ideas are limitless. I mean, there's so many things you can do in the digital world. This is the world we're in today. You don't even have to leave the house. You could find so many ways to make money from home and not have to spend a fortune. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.